Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by laying down proportions. Draw a long 4, 1 rectangle for length versus height, and mark the wheelbase. Use light guidelines to place the windshield angle and roofline. These define the Model X silhouette. Once done, sketch 2 circles for wheels exactly on the wheelbase and connect them with the lower body line. Make sure to block the cabin, hood, and rear hatch as simple shapes so you have a solid framework to refine. Now refine the body. Carve gentle fender curves and a subtle shoulder line that runs from headlight to tail. You should place the distinctive falcon door seam and outline the large, sloped windshield and rear glass. Once this is clear, detail the wheel arches and add the mirror and camera pods. These small elements sell the Model X look. Make sure to keep strokes confident. Erase inner construction lines progressively to reveal the refined silhouette. Finish by adding the face. Draw slim LED headlights, a smooth grill-less nose, and the Tesla badge on center. Shade the windows with reflections and render wheel spokes with perspective consistent for shortening. Once done, tighten panel gaps and emphasize door seams for the falcon effect. If something looks off, compare left and right symmetry, erase the offending lines, and redraw the door alignment. That single correction usually fixes most proportion problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.